AWZ P800 high-speed paper plate machine adopts high-efficient pressurizing air cylinder so that the max pressure can reach to 5T. Compared with the oil pressure one, it has the advantages of high speed, environment protection, and humanism design. Standard AWZ P800 paper plate machine has 2 working stations, has separately PLC digital control and electric control. Widely used to make discs of various shapes. Machine speed changes against the material paper thickness and the plate size.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.